Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to draw hatch marks in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click Draw. Move a bit to the right here and click the little hatch mark figure right here. This brings up the hatch options. MS CAD has many hatch pattern options at your disposal, as you can see here. The best way to change patterns is actually to click the swatch itself. If you need, there are patterns that adhere to ANSI or ISO specifications, or you can create your own. To select one, just click on it and hit OK. You can also adjust the color here. This first box colors the hatch lines, while the second box colors the background. If you need, you can also change the angle of the hatch marks and scale them up or down. Now to actually draw the hatch marks, go up here and click Pick Internal Points. Now just click the inside of any boundaries and MS CAD will automatically place the hatches within each visible line. When you're done, hit Enter. You're now taken to the Options page again. If you want, you can mess around with these settings. They're either self-explanatory or they have these tooltips, which explain what exactly they do. When you're done, click OK. With that, your hatch marks are saved like any other object on your drawing. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.